I'm Melissa Nakhavoly in Scarborough, where topics like TTC safety along with service cuts were front and center tonight. A town hall on transit was held here at Centennial College with the hopes of finding proactive solutions to the problems riders face.
I've been on the job for over 21 years, whether I was in the union or not. And I can tell you that this is an atmosphere that we've never experienced before.
We know from TTC data that the service cuts to TTC, the off-peak service cuts, impact people, impact lower income, impact females, impact people who are working late shifts, and impact racialized people the most.
Incidents of random violent attacks, from people being pushed on the tracks to punched and even lit on fire, sparking concerns from riders who say further cuts to transit is not the solution.
We know that a safer TTC and city will require investment in community supports. What the budget is proposing is having transit users pay more for less service.
Recent safety issues has prompted the city to add more police officers to TTC grounds, something that many at the town hall say will not work as a long-term solution and will only highlight inequities in the city.
We haven't actually seen public data from December and January of TTC security incidents, and so we have a lot of questions about, what evidence is Meritory's safety plan based on?
There is plenty of evidence that this approach will make some transit users less safe, especially Black, Indigenous, and unhoused people.
Several groups from mental health services to outreach spoke against the proposed cuts to the TTC. The Transit Commission recently proposed a 10-cent fare increase and a reduction of service by 9% less compared to pre-pandemic levels to address a $366 million budget shortfall. Many advocates here tonight pointing to the lack of supports offered by the city.
If this is about mental health, why are we putting money into policing and not actual mental health supports? Whose safety are we talking about here? And which public gets to take up space?
A special council meeting on the proposed 2023 budget will be held on February 15th. In Scarborough, Melissa Nakhavoly, City News.